When counting money, you are taking bills, coins, and maybe even $5 bills, and you are adding them together to find the sum. You want to know the total amount that someone has. So you are finding the sum. That means you're going to add. So let's say I have 2 quarters, 2 dimes, a nickel, a penny, and $1 bill. The first thing I can do is I can label the value of each item. So I know my dollar is worth 1. Each quarter is worth 25 cents. Each dime is worth 10. A nickel's worth 5 and a penny is worth 1. So now I'm going to make an addition problem. I have 25 cents plus 25 cents. Well, 5 plus 5 is 10. Put my 0 down below, carry my 1, 2, 4, 5, and then you bring your decimal point straight down. So I added my quarters, I'm going to cross them off. Now I have 2 dimes. Well, I know 10 plus 10 is 20, so I have to add 20 cents. 0 plus 0 is 0, 5 plus 2 is 7, put my decimal point. I added my dimes. Now I have my nickel. 5 plus 0 is 5. 7 plus 0 is 7. Bring my decimal point down. Now my nickel is crossed off and all I have left is a penny. 5 plus 1 is 6. 7 plus 0 is 7. And my decimal point. So I added all my change up and I have 76 cents in change. And then I have a dollar bill. So I have $1.76. I'm going to use my dollar sign because there's something in my dollar spot. Now, say this dollar wasn't here and I had only 76 cents, then I would write 76 cents or point. Either way is an acceptable one. When you are finding the sum, sometimes you are going to have coins that add up to over $1. If I have 5 quarters and each one is worth 25 cents, you can sing your quarter song or you can add them up 5 times. But I know 25, 50, 75, $1, 25. Because it starts over. The song just goes in loops and loops and loops. So I had 4 quarters that make $1. And I have 1 quarter left that's worth 25 cents. So I'm going to add that in. 5 plus 0 is 5. 2 plus 0 is 2. Bring my decimal point down. 1 plus 0 is 1. So I have $1.25 in quarters. Just because you only have coins does not mean it can't go over $1. Because every dollar is made up of 100 cents. So if at any point you're adding up coins and they are greater than 100 cents, you're going to have something in the dollar spot to the left of the decimal. Today, you're using cubes to solve 4-word problems. When you're using cubes, you need to remember to circle any number, underline the question, box in keywords. That would be like total, amount. So underline the question, circle numbers, box in keywords like total or amount, could be sum. E, eliminate info you do not need. And S, solve and show your work. Show your work. If I can't see how you're coming up with the total amount of coins, you're not going to get credit, all right? You need to show me how you're finding your answer. So these are 4 problems. You're going to have to read through them, circle the numbers, underline the question, box in keywords, eliminate info you don't need. E is not as an important step in 3rd grade because you're not really ever given extra information. Solve and show your work. All right? This one's very important. We talked about it yesterday. I want to see how you're coming up with your answers. When you're finished, there is plenty of space on the left-hand side. I'm going to show you. Where'd it go? You are going to go to your daily checklist, cubes counting money. Here's your 4 questions. I color-coded each of them. On the left-hand side, when you are done, I would like for you to draw a butterfly. All right? It can be as pretty, as intricate as you want. When you're done, I want you to draw a butterfly anywhere on this left-hand side.